We install two different sizes of gutters. We do a 5-inch and a 6-inch version. There are some gutters on the market that are a 4-inch version. However, with the amount of rain we get in this area, 4-inch oftentimes doesn't allow a proper amount of watershed off of the roof. I would say for most homes, 5 inches is going to be a great standard. If you're experiencing a lot of watershed or you have a very large ranch home, you might bump it up to the 6-inch. As well as your downspouts can either be in a 2x3-inch or a 3x4-inch. I will say honestly the standard I set is to use 3-inch by 4-inch because you move such a vast more quantity of water through those, and it will also allow a lot bigger stuff. Think the tennis balls your kids threw up on the roof down through the downspout. If you are looking at gutter protection, we offer 3 different varieties of that in a good, better, best model. It goes from a screen to a plate diverter and all the way up into a helmet. The screens are definitely your most cost-effective option. However, in this area, we have a lot of those maples with the helicopters. And what I will tell you is if you have a screen, they will stick in them and you'll have to be cleaning those out. And you don't want to be cleaning out your gutters because you're getting gutter protection. For a majority of my homeowners, something like Bulldog works the best. That will allow stuff to dry out on top of the screen and get blown off with the next little bit of wind. For your highest amount of protection, and it actually comes with a warranty that it's going to be keeping stuff out of your gutters, you can look at something like a gutter helmet like Leaf Sentry. Leaf Sentry automatically comes with weep holes on the back, as well as a system where the water will actually stick and go down into the gutters, allowing leaves and seeds and all kinds of other leaf debris, tree debris to go off of the roof. The only time you wouldn't want to go with something like a Leaf Sentry is if you have an incredibly steep roof. I'm thinking like 12 pitch. That water can hit this gutter at such a speed, it will rocket off the front of it.